In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Asana app to the latest version. By updating Asana, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any issues that might be related to your older version of Asana app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, to update your Asana app, all you need to do is to go ahead and find your app either through Google Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go back and go to Google Play Store here and then just search for Asana. And here is the app. It is already installed, but if I tap on it, you can see we have an update, which means I'm using an outdated version of Asana app. To update it, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Asana Work Management app and then install it on your smartphone. Once it is installed, now you can proceed and start using the latest version of Asana. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.